In this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate a professional payment gateway into your forms using the Stripe block within Typeform. Adding a payment option is a fantastic way to streamline your business because it allows you to collect payments directly at the same time your users provide their information. To get started, you first need to prepare your form by opening it up within the official Typeform editor. Once you have navigated to the specific form you want to edit, and you are looking at your list of questions, look over at the left-hand sidebar. You will see a plus icon, which is used to add new elements. Click that icon to bring up the menu of available question types. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled payment and select it. This will automatically add a brand new payment block to your form structure. Now that the block is in place, look at the settings panel on the right side of your screen. You will see a clear prompt asking you to connect your account. Simply click on the button that says Connect to Stripe to begin the integration process. This action will redirect you to a secure window where you must authenticate your identity. You will need to log in with your Stripe credentials and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Typeform to link with your account. It is a very straightforward and secure process that only takes a moment. Once you have successfully authenticated, you will be sent back to the Typeform editor, where you will see that the connection is active. From here, you can customize the currency and the specific amount you wish to charge. Integrating Stripe this way ensures a smooth and professional checkout experience for all of your customers, while keeping your data organized and your payments secure. This simple process can truly transform how you handle transactions and collect revenue through your forms.